Okay, so this is yet another question about using card with an email marketing platform, in this case, Substack. A bunch of you who are now working with clients on Substack have asked about incorporating a your client's Substack newsletters within card landing pages. So this is how you do it. It's very, very simple. You can see this is a live page, and this is an example of a Substack stream, right? Which you can see here. This is just one of our Substacks, right? And the feed actually appears on the site itself. And this is actually where you'd add the code. So you're going to click on this here. I've marked that as Substack. So I know exactly where this lands on the page. And it's a code widget in the card backend. And it's styled like this. It's in line. Again, this is the reference that I gave to this particular widget. And this is actually the code right here. So you're going to take this bit of code and then you're going to change whatever the variables are within here. And I think actually the only variable that one needs to change is the address of the Substack in question. In this case, it's a tinybook.substack.com, which is ours, and the number of posts, which is in this case set to 6. Let me look really quickly here. Actually, let's look on the live version of this. This is the page, just a template that I'm using to demonstrate this. And then there should be 6 posts. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let's modify this here to 2. I'm going to update this. I'm going to save it here. We're going to publish the changes. And again, sensibly, if you're working with clients, this is all you would do. Now let's look, and there should be a lot less, posts showing up in the feed. There should be 2. And as you can see, there are, right? So again, same thing. This links back to our Substack, which is here. And it's really, really